Hi guys, just confirm me in the chats that my screen is visible and I am clearly audible. And welcome to the day 3. Hi guys, good evening to everyone. Just tell your friends to quickly join. Like yesterday, we have done story generation from a single image. So today, we are first of all going to do two things. We have shifted a little part of day 4 also in day 3 so that we can have quiz on day 4 and we get enough time. Okay, so first of all we are going to set tones, which tone, like genre, or even say we want horror, adventure, anything we want. And then afterwards we are going to also set the length of the story, which length we can do. With a drop down menu we can select what length we want. And then third thing is we are going to give multiple images to the system to analyze and then generate story chapter wise, and then combine all the chapter and form a full frame story. Or even we can do it chapter wise also. So just ask your friends to join quickly so we can start today. Like it's 7:04. After we will wait for 1 minute and then we will start. Client is not defined, then you must have messed out any part in the code. Just thoroughly check, like where you have not mentioned the client, or where you have not initialized is like here. You have to mention it here clearly. You must have like capital C or done clients. There must be some error in typing. That's why it has been giving you an issue like this. Okay. Who was asking this? Shashank. I think we can start with the day 3 today. It's almost time. Again, I'm telling you, if your friends were present in day 1 and day 2 and not present in day 3, just message them so they can get the certificate and complete the boot camp. They do not miss out anything. Otherwise, they will come later and say, I have missed this part, and they will be lagged behind. They have to repeat the whole lecture again. Okay. So I request you guys, first of all, reconnect your collab again to the CPU from here. Then after that, run these variable files clearly. Like when you run these, you have to then again run this, and this one. So all the variables get properly. Like we have already okay, transformer and everything we are going to install. So that is not a very big deal. Okay. So like basic files which are we're not going to install again, just run those. To Ayush, to get 2 days code like day 1 and day 2, you have to go and see the video again and do your code yourself. We have instructed each and every code. You have to see the video and then complete the code. Complete all day 5 days file will be given at the end of day 5 when we cover everything. Then a GitHub link will be given to you guys. You can go and see there what all you can do. If you face problem till then also you can't rectify, then you can take reference from that. Okay, till then we can start with the day 3. Let's so starting with day 3, we will install first of all a Python bridges library in this environment, which is a short form. You can say we are using to install the widgets like the drop down menu, the select button, the multiple cursor or the slider. So these drop down things are used with the installed with the mm, dash. Okay, so you have to install the package. It is a very powerful way to, you can say, add interactive controls in the collab environment itself. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can choose the tone, the dramatic and everything, the slider. These functions are like drop down, slider, text box, and even button, the click button can all be done with this only. We can all download. Now today, as I told you, we are going to do the same task with the multiple images. Like it the this whole program will handle the multiple images, caption, produce the caption out of them, and then generate a story interrelated with the chapter form. So in this we are going to write from google.colab import files, and in this from PIL import image. This image I is small. Now import IO. Okay, so this we have done. First of all, from files, this will enable to upload all the photos or videos directly from the collab. Then this image from PIL pillow will use to open and then process all the images. Like they will must be having different extensions or different format, so it will handle all that. And this IO is used to handle raw files like bytes. This is needed for the multiple uploads in the system. So coming to the second thing, like first step we have done. In this only we are going to do uploaded is equals to files upload we have given. Then we have to give images is equals to, then image underscore, we have to give the name also of each file. We have given this. So in this the image first images, this is the actual image object you will pass into the blip, the actual process. And this image underscore name, it is a file name of it. It is kind of optional but useful to see which all files you have uploaded. So moving into this deeper. So now for name comma file in uploaded dot items. In this we will move with the image is equals to image dot open, and in this IO bytes file, in this we want to convert into convert RGB. Okay, we are converting this image dot. Okay, then second is image dot append is equals to image. Okay, then after that we are giving image underscore name dot append name. Okay, then we are going to just display the image. Okay, so in this we have done for the multiple image upload. Now when we are running this, you can see my choose file option is appearing. Now in this, when we are choosing, so let me choose multiple image. I have chosen 4 images, so I will let them upload first of all. So I have uploaded multiple images. In first it is tracking, then some children are playing in the second image, then in third image they are playing, and fourth they are skydiving. So I have uploaded 4 different images with the name test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. So you can see also images are uploaded in this system. What you guys, in the day 2 you are getting error. In day 2 which block you are actually getting error, just tell. Have you imported this import IO? Just check. So Komi, just check. Okay, just check. Have you imported this thing or not? So I think images are loading. Okay, fine. So now like we have uploaded the multiple images. Now what the second part, like what we did yesterday, we are moving the same flow. Like here, first of all, we loaded a processor earlier and then we move forward it. But this time we have uploaded the images earlier. But same thing we are going to do again. We are going to generate caption for the multiple image in this. So just let me copy from above only. So we can copy from here. And in this only, like, from transformer include blip processor and blip for conditional generation. We are done now the processor also, and as well as model. So this processor only we are going to use. Sales blip processor. Okay, okay, yes. Mm, so we have to rename this, otherwise it will not load. Earlier also we have loaded this thing. So now we have loaded the blip model and the processor into our system. So once we run this, all the thing will be get loaded. But let's do other thing also. First, captions we have to generate. So this will prepare a list to store the caption for each uploaded image. And here the order will, the order in which we will upload the image, it will follow that same order. So now moving into, we are creating a loop through all the upload images will get processed one by one. For mg in images inputs is equals to processor, and in this we are going to pass the images is equals to img, and then we are going to generate a return as we are passing to tensor is equals to pt. Now we are going to produce an out is equals to blip underscore model dot generate, and in this we are going to generate the inputs as well as max underscore new tokens. So here we can set tokens up to limit of, we can say 30 or 40, around this is max. Okay, it can work within this token limit. And now we want caption to be generated from here. So caption is equals to processor dot decoded. Okay, processor decode, and in this we will go out is equals to 0, and in this we are going to s- give our like skip speaker special tokens. Okay, caption dot append caption. So this much we have done. Now we are going to give a command to this system to generate also all the uh, caption which it has generated. So for caption, we will now give command print generated from images, and in this for I captions in print. Okay, So when we will run this, first of all, the models are going to be loaded. It will take time. Till then, we can. Okay, let's give you guys also some time to copy this. Images are not generated. You guys have uploaded the image. Uh, okay. Serial A Sukomi. Please, again I'm repeating. Just check the all the imports you have done properly. Packages are run like installed properly, and then you have imported them also. Just check, because with the help of that only we are going to open all those images. That's why your images must not be appearing in the system. All the dependencies are required. Someone please explain that I have to. If you have not attended the first and second day, then how would you cope up the third day? That's why I keep you guys saying to turn on the notifications and join the community so you don't miss out. We are conducting a boot camp on interactive AI storyteller generator. In this, we are going to generate an interactive stories with the help of first day we have done with the prompt, second day with single images, and in third day we are going to do with the multiple images as well as control on them with the help of the tone, the length, and the size. I can write, but I am explaining side by side. If I am going to write comments also, it will take time, and we have restricted time also. Full today's code, like this is one code, and this two only. Till now we have done, first of all we have installed a package of widgets, then we have concluded for the multiple image upload, and after this we have now moved on for the image generation. So here you can see the captions are generated for each and every image. Like four images I have uploaded, and for all four it has generated the captions. It will take time, don't worry. It usually take time 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. It will take 1 2 minutes. Attendance link was shared at the time. You must have missed out the attendance link. You were not attentive. Attendance link was shared at 10 no 7:33 uh, at that time, and it was open till 10 p.m. You must have missed out. You have to go to day one and day two video to get the code. You have to, I have explained each and every code written and explained also. You have to go and then write the code from there. Direct file can't be given between the boot camp. After once a day five will finish, I will give you guys a GitHub link, and in that GitHub link, it will be shared. So you have to see from there. I hope everyone is clear. So we will move forward with this thing. Till here, I think everyone has done. So now we move forward with widgets and everything, control story generation part. Caption we have generated. Okay, you have get the image caption. It fetched only one image. Just check the loop and in the loop where you have mentioned, just check, or you must have uploaded only one image. Check the loop part if there must be. Yes, it will generate caption of each and every image, whether it's animated image or any image. It is not going to do kind of partiality between them, whether you pass. Uh, for you only one image is coming. Again, please check the loop part. Okay, so let's move forward with the import of widgets and display the tools in front of this. So import. So here IPY widgets is used to create, again I'm repeating, earlier also I've told, starting is used to create interactive UI elements just like drop down, scroll, slider, select button. So all these are used with this, and this IPython.display is used to render the widgets and clear output of them dynamically produce. So now we will create a tone drop down. First of all, what's the tone like? Adventurous, suspenseful, we want romantic, science fiction, or even we can go with mystery. So these all are drop down, dot drop down, and in this drop down we are going to give options is equals to, first of all we are going to create a list out of it. Musical, then adventurous, serious. Okay, then we can give suspenseful, then we can give option as romantic also. You can add as many as tones you want, a part of which I am adding. If you know more, you can add others also, like I science fiction I like, so I will go with the science fiction, and others are mystery. So these are options which we get while generating all these, and in this we are going to give like value, any value we will. So this will create a drop down for choosing the tone, or the you can say mood also, and select the tone which will be later added on. So as a default, if I want, I can give it as any value I want, science fiction, as my default, and in that, after that description, I want to give it as tone. I hope everyone got it. So this was tone drop down. Okay, so move forward with the second thing which we want is to select the length of our whole story. We want length drop down, we will get with dot drop down. Again we are creating a drop down in this. You can go with slider also. You can give different option, and you can give a slider or even select box with the options. I'm going with this. So in this I will go with options is equals to, we are going to create again a list out of, first of all we want short. Now in this we have to mention how much short we are expecting. Like in this I will give 100 to 200 words. Okay, then again we are creating medium. We are giving three options. Medium is about, like, I can give between 300 to 400 words. Then third option we can go with the long. In this we can go with the word. Okay, so for the default value it has chosen the medium size and description to be as length. So we have created two drop down. Now after drop down we want to create a submit button also, or to a generate button also I want to create, like on which if I once click it will generate the story. So for that we will go with the generate underscore button is equals to widgets dot button. In this description I want to give generate story. Okay, so this is just a description. Inside the button it will be present, and there will be an output box. Output box is equals to widgets dot output. So this will create a function out of that. And now once we generate the story we want to display also everything in the notebook itself. So we will give a command display underscore tone drop down. So this will be option. First of all, first option, then the length, and the third will be will length underscore drop down. Then we want to give generate button output box. Okay, so we have given all three here. So we need to run this. So you can see I have set science fiction as default and medium. So they are set as default, but here you can select adventurous also, and you can increase the length up to 500, 700 words for a long story if you want. So this has run the story for, like, now we have created a generate story button, but for this generate story we have to click a function also. Why gap? I'm giving a just a range. It is not anything like, you can change also if you want. You can change 100, 200, then 200 to 300, 300 to 400. It's up to you. You can change the range. I'm just giving a range to the model to produce a length in that. Okay. So now we will generate a function for this generate story. For now, if you click on this, nothing will get generated. But once we create a function on this on click function, it will generate a story out of the captions which have been produced. So now starting with generating the function, sorry, on click function. So clicked in this, we can pass b. So B is a button click event standard in the IPY widgets which we have imported. It is a standard on which when we click the button, it gives out the output. Okay. So in this, with output underscore box clear output, and this we have created a function. So this actually ensures each time the button is clicked, the output is refreshed and not stacked like one after another. It doesn't get stacked. Like if I click two times the generate button, so first time it has generated story, and then again below that it has generated story. So instead of that, first output will be cleared so the space can be minimized, and then further it can be moved. Okay, I hope everyone is getting. So now as we have created the tone drop down, land drop down, so we have to adjust everything in this function. So the value which we have selected there gets integrated here also. So in this we are going to generate tone is equals to drop down dot. Now there we have just passed the value, but like written the values, but the actual function will happen here, because there, that's why if you click on generate story here, it will not generate because the main function is here. So in this tone drop down we have given, now we are going to set with the length also, length map. Okay, the length map, and in this we are going to set the short In this short, we have passed, I think, 100 to 200 words. And this will actually gives the value to the model as 100 to, it is not going to tell short, but instead how much words we want, it will tell to the model. And in this we want, suppose I want medium. So after this we are going to set length is equals to length map length underscore drop down dot value. Okay, so we have so this gets the selected value from the drop down, and this map user, this length map, so this maps user friendly drop down to text to actual word range, like here the word range which we are giving. So it will give a string for the Gemini prompt, so that I want a length between 300 to 400 words. This was for description for the drop down, but the value is passed here to the Gemini from this side. So moving forward with this, like we have done the creation of the length, now we will create a caption prompt which will be passed on to the, so in this, first of all we are going to pass slash n dot join. In this we are going to pass f again dash c for C in caption. So this will pass on every caption inside them. So like we have four caption, it will pass each and every caption one by one. So it will get. So now we are going to generate the outline. So everyone, please be careful with this. Last time I remember, uh, we are making from scratch only. Please refer to day one and day two, so you get the whole idea also. Attendance, okay, the time 7:45 it is. Just a minute, I will give you guys attendance. So today is day 3. So here's the attendance link. Kindly just copy this attendance link and mark it later after the class. First we will focus on the code, on the completion. We have only this is the last module of this code. Okay, I have given the attendance link. Just copy this attendance link, so we can move. Once you just copy, just please message in the chat so we can move forward with the code. And this outline code is important because last time many people were getting error in this only. So okay, little up. Okay now, or more. Just tell me you have copied the attendance link so we can move forward. Okay, so now we will move forward with this. So we will get with the outline dot prompt is equals to, and in this we are going to paste our description. So this you have to give in this. It is going to using the following scene description. We are telling create a three chapter, like I have in this four chapter storyline. Given the four images, you can change it, and each chapter should be a title and a short summary, then a caption outline prompt which we are going to generate. Form is not showing. You can see the form link on the screen also. You can just scan it through Google Lens and open it. Kushi Lamba, please scan it through Google if it is not showing. Let me, okay, just send it again into your chats, live chat. Now is it visible? Just tell me. Okay. I hope now is it visible. So now we will, like, once we are done with this, now we will create a try function, and after that, like, first we will create a try function, then obviously we are going to create an exception also inside that. So just let me create. We have to, and in this, just check the indentation because in Python maximum error occurs due to that only. And after this, we are going to generate for full story. We are going to create a prompt. uh, So you have to copy from here. Outline. First we have created this outline prompt. In this it is asking to generate with all the description we have given, and then we are creating a try function. After this we are creating a loop for the full story inside this, and once if like any error occurs, we are creating an exception also, which it will tell error in generating the story. So and this e will pass the actual error which has caused from generating the whole story. So now once we run this, we can go back and then just click. After clicking, wait for I in caption. Okay, we have given 502 words. In here we have given 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 700, 300 to 400, and here I'm giving 500 to 700. Again for medium 300 to 400. Medium we have passed 300 to 400 words only, then why it is. Hmm. Okay, so this length, it is not taking that much length, so we have to. Let's check the shorter length. Let's see the shorter length. We have to wait for. We have to wait for a minute because yes, you can add other attributes. So it has started generating. For chapter one, it has generated. Then chapter two and chapter three, and once it gets generated, so after title it is generating full story, and once it will generate full story, uh, text file will also get downloaded. I think I have included that text file. No, I have removed that text file function. Okay, it has get downloaded. So you can see in your downloads, once you run this, a text file will get generated. Just let me share my whole screen. So once this whole story is generated, you can see all the chapters has been written, and a story has been saved into my system with the multi-image story name. You can see here from the image, multi-story image generation. It has been generated, and when I open it, you can see the whole story is generated, and I can go through it. Okay, the last block. Yes, you can see from here, like from try. First of all, write down the code from the try. In this, we are generating a full story with a range of 1 to 4, and then passing on till here. I think everyone has got. First of all, just tell, have you guys done with the attendance link? Like copied the attendance link and after the class. So we are done with the day 3. I hope everyone will just do this whole code after this try catch, and then click on. Once you run this code, then get back to here, your function will run. So this will call that on click generation function and generate the whole story. I've actually paused 3, it should be 4. I hope everyone has done this thing. Okay, so almost it has 8 o'clock, so we will wrap up the meet and join back tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to convert this text into the speech, and then you guys can listen into an AI voice and analyze also. And tomorrow, obviously, we are going to have quiz also. All the questions from will be day 1, day 2, day 3, and the day 4, which we are going to cover tomorrow. So be alert and be attentive tomorrow. I think most of the people just came here for the attendance and they went off after the attendance. Almost 30-40 people have went off just after the attendance link has been given. So I'm ending this session today. We will get back tomorrow. So tomorrow we will learn how to convert text into speech, and then also a special quiz in which we will be having a quiz. You, if you guys perform well, your name can come on leaderboard, your name will be on screen. And I request all of you guys to join with your original name, so that your original name can be highlighted instead of just any masked name. Okay, so bye bye, tata, see you guys, and we will come back tomorrow at the same time and complete this boot session. Bye bye.